Ever feel like your money's playing a game of hide and seek? 1 minute it's here, the next, poof, gone. Today, we're diving into the top 10 money mistakes that can lead to debt, and how to dodge them. Plus, we'll wrap up with 10 solid financial habits to get you back on track. Let's jump in. Top 10 money mistakes leading to debt. Champagne taste on a beer budget? We've all been there. But consistently spending more than you earn is a fast track to debt city. In Canada, 35% of people say impulse shopping is their biggest debt culprit. So maybe leave that 17th pair of shoes in the cart. Credit cards can be handy, but they're not free money. Relying on them for daily expenses or splurges can lead to mounting debt. Remember, those interest rates aren't your friends. Life loves to throw curveballs. Car repairs, medical bills, you name it. Without an emergency stash, you might resort to high-interest loans or credit cards. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Your future self will thank you. Budgeting might sound as fun as watching paint dry, but it's essential. Without a plan, it's easy to overspend. Even that daily coffee adds up. According to Fidelity Investments Canada, $5 a day is over $1,800 a year. Retirement might seem ages away, but the earlier you start, the better. Failing to plan means missing out on compound interest magic. Don't let future you survive on instant noodles. Your home is your castle, but don't let it become a financial dungeon. Overspending on housing can leave you house poor, struggling to cover other essentials. Remember, the mortgage is just the beginning. Maintenance and taxes add up. Keeping all your cash under the mattress? Not the best strategy. Avoiding investments means missing out on potential growth. Start small, diversify, and let your money work for you. Got a raise? Congrats! But before upgrading everything, remember higher income doesn't mean you have to spend more. Keeping expenses steady while earning more is a surefire way to build wealth. Money talks can be awkward, but avoiding them can lead to bigger issues. In Canada, financial problems contribute to 68% of divorces. Regular chats about money can keep love and finances alive. Think you can handle it all? Even superheroes need sidekicks. Consulting a financial advisor can provide personalized strategies to manage debt and grow wealth. Alright, we've tackled the pitfalls. Now let's focus on building solid financial habits. Create and stick to a budget. Track your income and expenses. Knowledge is power. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Start small and stay consistent. Pay off high-interest debt first. Those credit card balances, tackle them head-on. Automate savings and investments. Set it and forget it. Automation makes saving effortless. Plan for retirement early. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Live below your means. Just because you can buy it doesn't mean you should. Educate yourself financially, read books, attend workshops, or follow reputable financial blogs. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's buying a home or traveling, having goals keeps you motivated. Review and adjust regularly. Life changes, and so should your financial plans. Communicate about money, especially with partners. Transparency prevents misunderstandings. Remember, managing money isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making choices that align with your goals. With these habits, you're well on your way to financial freedom. Cheers to a debt-free future. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you've gained value from this video. And also check out the next video for more practical money tips.